Hi folks, quick update on positions. I've got some of the futures charts on this page. Let's go through them quickly. Uranium, we're long on URA and UEC. Both of these dipped off quite a bit, but I'm happy that those are holding up. Natural gas, I'm long on, as you know. I covered that in yesterday's video. Here's my broker's chart. We're just faffing around above the 20-period moving average. We're still below $2. Go and check out that last video on my channel. And then this is the Henry Hub. I'm a little bit concerned we made a spike high there in the short term, but there's the 20-period moving average. I'd like to hold above that, and that would take us down to about 1.73 if we got that low. It's possible we could do that, maybe just retest into those moving averages, but I'm hoping we'll hold 1.84 to 1.85, roughly where we are at the moment in the tops of these candles. We're short on WTI oil. That's just coming back down towards the top of the channel. I know a lot of people are bullish on this one, and we do have a lot of resistance up in this block in the low 90s, which is possible we could get to. On the other hand, I'm hoping for a move down back into the channel, towards the bottom of the channel where the 100-period moving averages and various supports, and then possibly lower with a breakdown below the channel. Cocoa is still faffing around at these levels, just pretty much sideways for the last week and a half. So not much to say about cocoa, except to say that we've probably broken the third angle of attack now. That's this very steep trend line. And if I compress the chart, that's pretty close to vertical. You don't often see that on any charts at all, and when that crashes, it's going to be an almighty fall. Gold, we're short at 23.20, hoping for a move back into the channel. I'm not 100% convinced that gold's not just going to carry on roaring higher, so we've got a tight stop loss and a smaller position on that. And then stocks, I'm short Nasdaq, short NVDA, hoping for a move down much lower, probably around 16,800 to 17,200 on Nasdaq. We're just under 18,000 now and in really good profit. We got in short at 18,300 and something. NVIDIA, funnily, actually finished positive yesterday. That's yesterday's candle close. I don't have the pre-markets on these charts. And then Apple and Tesla we're long. Those are long hedges against these shorts. I'm hoping, and as it's done pretty well so far, that Apple and Tesla will hold up whilst Nasdaq and NVIDIA fall down. But that's my best guess so far. And then when it comes to currencies, look at that breakdown on the euro following the CPI and on the pound. We're breaking down on the euro yen, Swiss yen holding down there. So everything moving down except for the dollar index and actually the dollar yen, and that's the one we're short on. But I've now hedged half my position on dollar yen, and we'll see how we go. And if we make a higher close today, I'll hedge the entire lot. That'll give us some time to see if this market's going to continue higher along with the dollar. And really, it's all up in the air. I do, however, think that the dollar is going to be more likely to be bullish than bearish, and therefore we should see weakness in the euro and the pound. Dollar yen, I don't know about, but I'm hoping that we'll see some changes there too. And then if that does happen, we should see the euro yen, the pound yen, the Swiss yen, etc. all drop off as well. Switching across to Bitcoin, we got out of some of that yesterday, pretty much sideways, more or less in a pennant formation within this broader triangle. This is the sort of pattern I thought might happen on the way up, and I think we could go a lot higher on Bitcoin. However, that's a probability, and it doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen. We've got the channel bottom beckoning, we're right in the middle, slap bang in the middle, diddling in the middle right now. And we may follow the green path. We may go straight up from here, we may not pull back if we move up higher, or we might pull back down to the bottom of the channel and this previous support at around 61,000, or that might be the end of the Bitcoin rally for now. I think probably we've still got some more to go. Final chart, South African Rand pairs as you saw yesterday, dollar Rand surging higher, as it would do with the dollar surging, and the pound Rand holding up relatively well, but below the 200-period moving averages. We've got elections coming up, which are going to be tumultuous and weird and incredibly unpredictable, and much like they say in America, the future of South Africa may hinge on what happens in the coming elections in the next few weeks' time. Have a great trading day. If you enjoy this sort of video, I'd love your comments and your subscription and your thumbs up and your share, everything else you can do that helps the channel grow. Thanks so much. Take care.